Hey there, I am trying to grow some things currently in my greenhouse, and I thought maybe it'd be kind of fun to share some of my experiences with you. This is really my first time trying to grow things and plant a larger garden, and I really don't completely know what I'm doing, trying to do some research, so maybe you guys have some advice for me, and hopefully you will find these videos useful. So today I'm going to show you what I have going in the greenhouse right now, and then in the next couple days I'm going to move stuff out into the garden space that we have ready. So let me show you here what we've got going. So I've got some sunflowers there. Clearly one is growing much better than the rest, and then I've got lots of tomato plants, squash, and then more things kind of down the line there. So hopefully I will post some other videos for you soon, and if you've got any tips or anything for me, that would be great. Thanks.